Hey guys, what's up? My name is Steph and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today I have a really simple, really quick makeup tutorial inspired by Kendall Jenner's kind of go-to red carpet Instagram makeup. It's a really simple cat eye, but I show you guys kind of how I like to do it to give myself that very like elongated feline look. Not female look, I am a female. Whew. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Plus, follow me on social media. Everything is linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just gonna put on chapstick. Just slapped on the Hourglass Seamless Vanish. Yeah, foundation stick. This is the color Natural. And then I'm just gonna set everything with a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Just because I have combination skin, I find that things still, despite the cold weather, slip around. It's kind of unfortunate. I wish I had the skin type where I could just like put everything on and then not have to worry about like over powdering my nose and my forehead. Anyways, if I don't powder, I get so shiny throughout the day. It's just, it's not okay. Okay. Then I'm just gonna quickly take my Becca Sunlit Bronzer. This is the color Bronzed Bondi. And I'm taking a big Morphe fan brush. I linked the brush set that I got everything in below. Oh yeah, it's just a big fan brush. I like this because I can hollow out my cheeks a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna pop that underneath my cheekbone into this hollow. I have a very undefined face. I feel like I have such chubby cheeks. So I don't particularly want to give myself like a brand new like hollow here. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't particularly like want to contour, but I do want to create some definition in this area and also just warm up my skin. And you can see it's just, there's a little bit of a hollow there naturally, and I'm just accentuating it while making silly duck faces. Okay. And just brushing the rest across my face to warm it all up. And then I'm taking a little NARS brush. This is Golu? Oh gosh, I can't pronounce it. I'll link it down below. It's just this like dusty mauve color. It's coming up a lot darker on camera, but I find that this just gives me a really healthy glow, and it helps contour my face a little bit more. Like it defines my like the apples of my cheeks, but then gives enough like warmth going back that I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not a makeup artist. This is just what I do. I'm sorry. Okay, so I just pop it on the apples of my cheeks and then slowly work it back like that. I do feel like when I first apply my makeup, when I'm like, especially looking into the monitor right now, I find that I look a little bit like sunburned almost on like just the cheek area, but I find that blush wears really quickly throughout the day, so I don't mind putting on potentially a little bit too much because I know that by the time everything is applied, it's set in, and like as the day goes on, it's gonna tone down a bit. And then I'm just applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills M Resi Collab Highlighter. This is back in stock, I think, and it's probably one of my favorite highlighters ever. It just gives such a natural glow without being like, you can build it to where it's like boom highlight, or you can just have it be like low-key and subtle. I'm just gonna buff that right onto the tops of my cheekbones, the sides of my temples, and like kind of like under / over the tail of my eyebrow. That's where I like to put my highlighter. I don't usually do like an brow bone highlight or brow bone color like when I'm doing my eyeshadow. So this just is a 2-in-1, and it really helps to brighten up this area. Okay, let's just see. Yeah, okay. And then I'm just gonna take a teeny bit extra and just run it down my nose. I don't do this every single day, but because this is my Kendall Jenner inspired makeup, I wanted to go a little bit all out. Okay, so then after I do my face first, and then I do my brows, and then I do my eyes and lips last, only because I find that when I'm putting my brows on after I do my eyeshadow tends to be like very heavy, and then my brows are gonna be even heavier. So I start with my brows and I do my brows defined and the way I like them. My eyeshadow tends to be less harsh and less severe. Yeah, it's a way that I help myself not go too over the top. So, okay, I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I do, in general, try and fill my brows in a little bit more of like straight. Kendall has very, very straight brows usually, which I'm kind of jealous of. I like how they look, but I'm gonna like make my brows as like flat and straight as I possibly can, but I do have like quite a significant natural arch, so it's not always working out that way for me. Okay, sorry, I had to like stack you up on some books so I wasn't like so hunched down. I'm still cutting off my forehead, which kind of bugs me, but sorry. So I'm using my Narcissist Wanted palette because it has the color Coconut Grove in it. Coconut Grove is a single eyeshadow that is available. This palette unfortunately isn't available anymore, but I did link it if it does come back into stock in a few places, but also you can just get the eyeshadow I used in a single. And then the other eyeshadow I'm using is just this color. It's a basic kind of like off-white bone color skin tone. I would just use anything that matches your skin tone and will provide a base. So I'm just going to take that on a fluffy kind of tapered Morphe brush, and I'm going to pop that just all over my eyes up to the brow bone to provide a clean canvas. On the other side. Okay. So that's it. Then I'm going to take a flat eyeliner brush, eyeshadow brush, brow brush. It's just like a flat little brush, and I'm going to just dip it in, dip it into Coconut Grove, and I'm just going to pop it first right against the lash line in the outer corner. Ooh, I just made a mistake. And then I'm going to slowly wiggle it and work it inwards. And then just grab more like as and when you need it. It's kind of like the same approach you would use if you were like using eyeliner. It's just making effectively like a cat eye, but with a eyeshadow to make it a little bit more like smudgy. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same on the other side.
Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new. Now it's in the papers, all I seem to see. Must be something underneath. Take two.
So I just have it just like a regular eyeliner right now. And then I'm going to take more product and I'm going to, from the underneath of my lash line, there's kind of like a natural flat part, not flat part, but like there's a natural line that comes out. So I'm just going to follow that natural line to build my wing. And then from the wing, I'm just going to connect it back down into the rest of the shadow. Oh, sorry. The lighting changes in here. Okay, and then this is it. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. Ooh, lighting! Okay, I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side where I slowly build out a wing and then just cut it back. Okay. See, one of the things that I always get afraid of is I do this look without eyeliner, without mascara on, and then I'm like, oh my god, my wing is so big, my wing is like huge, I don't know what to do, and then I put on mascara and I absolutely love it. So don't be afraid if without any mascara on you feel like your wings are too long or too big. You don't have to be like 100% perfect like this side, which is just giving me all the problems today. I don't want to end up with like a wing out to my temple. So I'm just, if you're feeling like you're messing up, you just wipe it away from the bottom, like don't drag it back. You want to keep the lines as sharp as possible, so just diffusing it up and out will do that for you. There we go. Okay. Yeah. One side is definitely better than the other, but that's okay. And then to finish it all off, I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and okay, I'm gonna curl my lashes first and then I'm gonna put on mascara. But you guys hopefully get what I mean. Okay, and then the trick to doing your mascara with this look is to really build out the outer corners of your lashes first and then build the inner corners. This way it makes your eyes look more like drawn out, and if you really want you can like pull your lashes like to angle outwards to give an even more like almond / feline look to your eyes. But I personally prefer to build up the outer corner to be quite heavy and then work on just coating the inner corner for a little bit of definition. Okay, whew, my hair. So this is my finished look. It's really simple, just kind of diffused cat eye. It is inspired by Kendall Jenner, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.
I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love